In this video, I will demonstrate how to set up WebTess for the BC data collection requirements and show how to request PEN numbers for new students. We begin by signing into WebTess. Then go to BC, BC Setup, and School Setup. Make sure the report date is set to the snapshot date for the school year, for example 2020-09-30, which is the last school day in September. Then enter the ministry code for your school and your school name, and enter your contact information and other details. If you have a BC agent, you can enter these details. For offshore schools, if you check this option, the program will use the agent address for all students for 1701 and tracks. Next, under the Defaults tab, you can set the default requirements for BC 1701, 1704, and tracks data collection requirements. For example, you can set the primary language to English or any other language, and the number of courses to 8. You can set the birth province and country for 1704, and you can set the province, country, and citizenship codes for tracks. Note that in tracks, most students are now using the 2018 graduation requirements. There will be a separate video available shortly which goes into more detail about entering the 1701, 1704, and tracks data for students. For now, we will go through the process of generating a PEN request file for new students in your school. We go to BC, Data Transfer. Under the 1701 tab, click Create PEN Request File. We're creating a PEN request file for only those students who do not have a PEN number yet. So we click Continue. Then we just choose All Students and click Continue. The program creates the PEN request file. Once you have downloaded this file, you can go to the ministry's website and upload the PEN request file. Once uploaded, you will get a notification that the file has been accepted, and you can download a file from the website that contains the new PEN numbers. To load the new PEN numbers into WebTess, download the new file from the ministry's website and save it to your desktop or downloads folder. Then go into WebTess and go to BC, Data Transfer, and choose Read PEN Number File and click Continue. Then click Choose File and select the PEN request file, which usually ends with STD, and click Open. Then click Continue. WebTess will then read in the PEN number file and assign the numbers to your students. You can then check under Student Data to see the PEN number. There will be a separate video available shortly which goes into more detail about entering 1701, 1704, and tracks data for students.